Is that chocolate pudding?
No, Grandpa. It's not chocolate pudding. And quit asking why it has eyes.
Welcome to Rebooted Boomers,
where babies and toddlers keep old folks up on what is trending.
I like the smiling yellow one. He looks friendly.
Yes, Grandma, but when you send that next to a flame emoji, you're basically calling someone hot.
We'll laugh, we'll learn, and we'll prove that even boomers can out-trend Gen Z with just a little reboot.
Laugh now, subscribe later, or I'll make you decode text messages without emojis. Good luck.